Hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whenever you're watching this. I'm going to let you know that for Wednesday's work, we're going to have a Google Docs, kind of like we did for Monday of the very first week. Now, remember, the first one is your name. If you do not put your name in there, you're not going to get a grade because I'm not going to know whose it is. Second, you need to put, are you in the first block, second block, or third block? After that, remember, when you're adding, you're going to line up your decimals. So on a clean sheet of paper, you're going to work each one of these out. So you'll put number 1, you'll write them and rewrite them where you line up your decimals and work it out. Show your work neatly and put your name on your scratch sheet of paper so that you can submit it along with this. Okay, and then you'll type in your answer on here. Multiplying, you do not line up your decimals. You're only lining up your numbers. Count. That first one, how many decimal places do we have? 2. How many decimal places on the second one? 3. So how many decimal places are we going to have in your answer? 3. Oh yeah, because this first one is only 1. Sorry. So 2, 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. So your answer will have 3 decimal places. Multiply that. Now, also remember, this line means to divide. So this number goes inside the house, which is your dividend. This right here is your divisor. You take your divisor, move your decimal over 1, make it a whole number. Move this one over 1, because whatever you do to the outside, you do to the inside, okay? And you go through with each one of these. Again, this right here is dividend. Each one of them will have where it says your answer, and then put your answer in there, okay? Again, show your work on a clean sheet of paper, nice and neatly, okay? And when you are done, because you're going to hit edit, when you are done, it'll have a place over here to submit. There is going to be a paper clip. Before you hit submit, click on the paper clip, upload a picture of your scratch paper that's neatly done with your name on it, and click on that and submit it, and then add it to your work here and submit it. If it does not have one on here, then once you're done with this and you go back under week 4, and then on the top of this, write skills practice 40, okay? And then submit it that way. So if you have any questions, you email me, email Miss Little, or any of your Miss Castro Lewis or Mr. Menambres, and they will be happy to help you. Okay. Miss Little, do you think there's anything else we need to cover? I explained the multiplying, the dividing, adding. Oh, and subtraction, you're going to line up the numbers as well. Line up the decimals as well.
And please take the time to check your work before submitting.
Yes, double check all of your work. Make sure that what you type here.
Look over your work.
Yes, whatever, and your work on your scratch paper, and then when you type your answer, like here, here's your work. Then whatever the number is, look here, short answer, number. Okay, so you're gonna write your answer here. Okay.
And this is due Wednesday evening.
Yes, all of this is due Wednesday evening. Okay, it should not take that long to do this. Okay, it will be posted tomorrow or tonight, and we'll have it all set up and ready to go. So again, if you have any questions, email me or your math teacher. We'll be happy to help you. Or post it on your Google Classroom, or if any of your teachers have Class Dojo, you can contact them there. However you've been contacting your teacher, you can do that to answer any questions that you may have. And hope all is well, and we will talk to you later.